How to create a new TikTok account when you already have one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, what you need to do is you'll need to open up the TikTok app, make sure that you have signed out from a current account, and then you will be navigated to this page. Now, here you can either continue with your email, Facebook, Apple, Google, or even your phone number. So, I'm going to put in my phone number and then hit continue. You'll need to put in your date of birth, and make sure that you put in a strong password with 8 characters, one letter, one number, and one special character, and hit continue. And that's it. That's how you create a new TikTok account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.